The space race was a thrilling time. It was a competition between two superpowers. These superpowers were the United States and the Soviet Union. It began in 1957 when the Soviet Union launched Sputnik. Sputnik was the first artificial satellite. It orbited the Earth. This event shocked the United States. The Soviet Union achieved another victory in 1961 when Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space. He orbited the Earth, solidifying the Soviet Union's lead in the space race. The United States had to catch up. The rivalry pushed both nations, leading to rapid technological advancements. The early space race was more than a competition, it was about national pride. Both countries wanted to show their technological superiority. This competition had a profound impact on the world. It inspired generations of scientists and engineers. The United States accepted the Soviet challenge. They launched the Apollo program. The goal was to land humans on the moon. This was a bold and ambitious goal. The Apollo program required immense resources. Thousands of people worked tirelessly to achieve it. In 1969, the world watched in awe as Apollo 11 landed on the moon. Neil Armstrong became the first human to walk on its surface. "That's one small step for man," he said. "One giant leap for mankind." This achievement marked a turning point. The United States had won the space race. The Apollo missions continued until 1972, providing valuable scientific data about the moon. We learned about its composition and history. The Apollo program left an enduring legacy. It inspired humanity with the power of exploration. The end of the Cold War brought a new era. Space exploration became more collaborative. The International Space Station, or ISS, is a prime example. It is a joint project between many countries. The United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada all participate. New players emerged in the 21st century. China's space program advanced rapidly. They sent astronauts into orbit and landed a rover on Mars. Other nations like India and Japan also made significant strides in space exploration. Private companies joined the space race as well. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, developed reusable rockets, reducing the cost of space travel. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, also focused on commercial spaceflight. Today, the moon is once again a focal point. Many nations have set their sights on lunar bases. These bases would serve as a stepping stone for further exploration. They could be used to study the moon in more detail. They could also serve as a launch pad for missions to Mars and beyond. The moon holds valuable resources. Water ice exists in permanently shadowed craters. This ice could be used for drinking water and rocket fuel. Helium-3, a rare isotope on Earth, is abundant on the moon. It could potentially be used for future fusion energy. The journey to Mars is humanity's next giant leap. The moon provides an ideal testing ground. We can develop and test technologies for long-duration space travel. We can learn how to live and work in a harsh environment. The lessons learned on the moon will pave the way for human exploration of the solar system.